Hello friends, welcome to dptutorials. In this tutorial, let's see how we can remove all the hyperlinks in Excel with a single click. Hyperlinks help users to go to the another place instantly in the Excel tool. You can hyperlink to various places where you wish to land. One can link to existing file or web page, place in the same document, create a new document or email address. It is very easy to remove a single hyperlink by just right-clicking on the cell and selecting the option Remove Hyperlink. But if you want to remove multiple hyperlinks, it would be a tedious job to do one by one. But you can do that in a single go using the following trick. In this example, I have a list of email addresses in the column C which have been hyperlinked to their respective email ID. Now, if I wish to remove all these hyperlinks, I need to select the entire column, that is column C, or in case you can select a range where you want to remove all the hyperlinks in your Excel sheet. Here I am selecting the column C and then going to the Home tab in the editing group, which is at the right side. Here in the clear drop-down menu, click the option called Remove Hyperlinks. Once you click that, you can see that all your hyperlinks have been removed. That's it friends. In this way, you can remove all the hyperlinks in an Excel sheet in a second. So friends, this is all about removing hyperlinks in your Excel sheet. If you have enjoyed this video tutorial, please do give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe to dptutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.